Hi everyone, Kim Cash here. I'm coming to you from Portland, Oregon, and I just today received a box from Stitchfix. So I thought I'd share it with you and do an unboxing. I did my last one with you guys, so I thought I might do another one. So let's just get started and open it right away. So Stitchfix is a company that looks at maybe your Pinterest or things that you post or send to them, and they decide what they think would look nice on you. And they send you a return envelope if you don't like what they send you. And they send you a little card that tells you how to put your clothes together, because if you're like me and you're a tomboy, if you're a sporty girl, and you are not great at putting things together, they show you how to do it. And so it just tells you it's been personalized for you. And this one says, "Happy Fix Day, Kim. I'm thrilled to be styling for you today and hope that this fix is a bright spot in your day. Since you've enjoyed some of the activewear that you've received, I thought you'd enjoy trying out these performance leggings from Beyond Yoga. Customers are loving the pocket detail and soft feel of these leggings. Pair them with a lilac tank from, I'm not sure how to say this, Jam, G-A-I-A-M, or the super soft gray hoodie from Mix by 41 Hawthorne for a super cute, comfortable style. Just add some white sneakers and you'll be ready to head out for a walk or to do some errands. This lovely white tassel detail top from Danielle Rain has a fun style that will be easy to style with your favorite pair of jeans and some wedge sandals and dangly earrings, and you'll be ready for a casual dinner out with friends. Enjoy, Jana." I don't usually wear earrings, but okay, we'll see what she sent me, which is fun. And then there's the invoice that tells me how much everything is. And it says, "Instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix." So that's because you can order additional things. You can just go online and try to pair up some other, items with what you got. It says download or visit our app to learn more. Just scan this QR code. Okay. Ooh, I like this. This is super soft. This is really, really soft. This is the hoodie that she was talking about, and it says Market and Spruce, but it's really nice, and I love that it has pockets, because who doesn't love pockets? So I'll try everything on and show you too, but I just want to see what we got here. Okay, and this is a obviously the lilac tank that she was talking about, and this is the one that's by G-A-I-A-M, Jam. Okay, and so next, these must be the sporty leggings that she was talking about. These are the Beyond Yoga, which I like the look of them, and the feel's really nice. I'm very tactile. I'm very affected by the feel of clothing. Oh, and this is cute too. It's funny, all of them I'm thinking are pretty cute. Let's see. And then there's this tassel shirt. This is when she was talking about the little tassel detail. So I'm going to try them on, and then I will show you each thing, and you guys can tell me what you think of them. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but I really like the feel of these. These are the Beyond Yoga pants, which are super soft. And the sweatshirt, it's got the pockets right here, which I really like. I don't know what you guys think, but I think I would wear this. This is very me. So these are very soft, Beyond Yoga, and I'll have to see what the shirt says again, but let me look. Okay, so this is called the, it's got to be the Mix by 41 Hawthorne, and this is a $42 gray medium size hooded hoodie. Let's see how to put the hood on. So let me see if I can get the hood on. I don't usually honestly put the hoods on because my hair is so thick that it becomes an issue. But it does have a nice hood if you wanted to wear it. And it's got nice pockets. So there you go. That's the, oh, and I should have told you how much the Beyond Yoga pants are. The Beyond Yoga out of pocket, high-waisted. Oh, these are $99. So they must have a pocket. Oh, they've got a pocket right here. Here, look, let me show you. So they've got a pocket right here, which is really nice for your phone. Look at that. I love that. I really love that because then if you're running or you're just going on errands, you've got a pocket for your phone. And though this has a pocket, I think it could fall out easier. I mean, maybe not for you guys, but I seem to lose things. But this is such a deep pocket that, of course, it makes you have a big lump on your leg. So you may not want that. But, and maybe you prefer just to hold your pocket here. I think this would be a better pocket because you could put it in your pocket. It's in there deep. You can fill it. And then you could just pull your shirt down over it. So I really like this pocket. Anyway, I'll try the next one. Let's see. Try these. Okay, so this is the second shirt, which is really soft. It's very form-fitting, so I'm not sure that I like that because it's going to show my stomach. But it's got a nice long back, which I like, and I've still got my phone in my pocket. Maybe I should take that out so you don't see the lumps. I do like the feel of the material, and it's got some stitching up here. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, I like this one too. That's my problem. I just like too many things. Let me try the next one. Okay, this is the tank. Let me see what it's called. This is called the last one that I tried on was the Skies Are Blue Delilah embroidery neckline, and that was a medium for $54. And this is the Hatha Ruche tank, light purple, medium. It's the GAIAM JAM, and it's $30. So I like the color. I think it's really soft, and I think it would be a nice thing to work out in for like yoga. And it's got a nice long back, so I like that. And so I like that one too. Surprise. So I'm going to try the last one. Okay, here's the last one, and this is it's the most fancy of them all. The others are pretty much activewear. This one is the Megan Tassel Detail Top by Daniel Rain. It's a medium, and it's $74. And it's actually the one I like the least because it feels, to me, sorry, here comes Sophie sharing her little wormy. That's yours, Sophie. That's your wormy. So the thing I don't like about this one is it's a little tight through the shoulders, and it's 3/4 obviously sleeves. But then if I go like that, I feel like I'm stretching it, and so I'd probably undo the buttons on it and just roll them up. But it is the one I like the least, and like the tank was $30, and this one is almost twice as much. I just like sporty clothes better than fancy clothes, just the way I am. But the nice things about it is it does have a nice long back, which I like. And it does have a lot of detail. You know, it's got these, let me come close and show you a bit. I just want to make sure again, this one is $74, which to me just seems a little, like a little much for it when I don't like it so well. But it does have, like, let me see if you can see that. It's got metal little bands on the tassels, which I think are nice. And it does have some detailing right here on the bodice. But I don't feel like it's flattering at all in any way. Not that I want it to be form-fitting, but I do feel that like it's just kind of like a little tint. I know a lot of people like that kind of style, but this really isn't my kind of style. And I might wear it, but I might not, so I got to think about that. But that is everything that was in my box. The Hatha Ruche Tang, the light purple, size medium, 30. The Megan Tassel detail top, this one, medium, 74. The Skies Are Blue Delilah embroidery neckline, medium, 54. Beyond Yoga out of pocket, high-waisted black pants, which leggings, and these are 99, but I really like the pocket. I know that seems like a little thing, but to me that's a big deal. When I'm running, I can just put my phone right there. And then the gray hoodie, which was super soft, mixed by 41 Hawthorne, and that's 42. So the way that it comes out is that the Stylist picks total $299. But if you keep all of them, you get a 25% discount, which is $74.75. So the order subtotal comes out to $224.25. And then if you keep everything, you get a $20 credit for your styling fee. And so the shipping is free. So everything would come to $204.25, which I don't think is bad for, I mean, just the pants are $100, so $204, you get all the shirts for another $104. So I don't think that's horrible. And I don't have to go to the store, and I don't have to go shopping, which I prefer not to. I mean, I've never been a big shopper, unless I'm shopping for like holiday things, and I like to. But for just clothes, I'm not a big fashionista, and that's why I like Stitchfix. And let me show you up close so you can see exactly what the name is. Well, it'll show it on the box, I believe. You know, they could. It's not really showing it, but I'll put it in the description below. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys one other thing. And this is something I run on Sunday with some girls, some friends, some ladies. And we're going to go to the Ufo Festival. So we're working on our UFO costumes. Well, our UFO Festival costumes. So I'm going to show you what I made. We bought the dress, but then what we did is we bedazzled them. And I have never bedazzled anything before. So that was an experience, which was pretty fun. And what I did is I tried to make, I don't know if you can see that very well, but with these rhinestones. Sophie, what are you doing? Sophie, stop that. I tried to make a spaceship, and then I made another one, and then I just made a little light coming from up above. So this is the dress I'm planning on wearing, and I'll try that on and show you. And then, well, it's going to have a whole lot of things that go with it, but I'll just show you this, so just give me a second. Can you hold on for a minute, please? So here's my UFO festival dress, and with my little spaceships on it that I bedazzled, and I'll show you, I'll try to insert some pictures that show you how we did that. But this is the dress, and as you can see, it's got pockets, and if you didn't know, I love pockets. So this is my dress to go to the festival and to hear all about UFOs and just have fun with my friends. and they also bedazzled their dresses. And the bedazzling is putting the rhinestones on it. And so let me know what you guys thought of the different outfits, what ones you liked the best, what ones you didn't like. If you would want one of these, what you think would be your style. I'd love to hear what you guys think, and you can put that in the comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, just unboxing of my Stitchfix clothing that was sent to me and styled for me. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you can, if you want to see the next video that I upload, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can just click on the little notification bell and you'll be notified of the next video I upload. But I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.